are hacks to level up your style. Now my name is Arvind Menon and on this channel I talk about grooming, fitness and motivation. If you are interested, make sure to subscribe because I put videos like this every single week. Make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification icon so that you wouldn't miss future content. Now the first hack to level up your style is by making sure that your grooming game is on point. That means no patchy beard, no neck beard, no unibrows, none of it. Make sure that it's clean and well groomed. The second hack to level up your style is by making sure that your outfit is well fit for your body. What I mean by that, make sure that if you are wearing a polo, it's tailored to your body size. If you are wearing a formal, it's tailored to your body size. If you are wearing a Henley or a tee, make sure that it's right fit for your body. Now, if the outfit you wear is baggy, loose, it will make you look sloppy and it will bring down your style. Now, third hack to level up your style is by rolling up your sleeves. Now, half sleeve like this one, make sure to roll it up once, not twice or thrice, just once. It will make your arm look bigger. All the more reason if you are working out. If you are having a full sleeves, make sure to pull it up a little bit so that your forearm is showing. If it's a formal, then roll it up 3 times at max, no more. Don't go overboard and roll it up to your elbows. It doesn't look good that way. Now, the fourth hack to level up your style is by getting accessories. It could be as simple as getting a watch, wearing a watch, ring, bracelet, necklace. Just keep it minimalistic. Don't go overboard by wearing 10 rings, a huge ass dial watch or 5 bracelets in one hand. It doesn't look good that way. It just makes you stand out in a bad way. All the above hacks are something that you can start implementing right now. You can get accessories, get your outfit tailored, your grooming game on point. But the fifth hack will take some time, and that is getting but the fifth hack will take some time. The fifth hack is working out, getting your body in shape. It will take some time to get your body in shape, but it will level up your style. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you learned something new, make sure to subscribe because I put videos like this every single week, and hit that notification bell icon so that you wouldn't miss the future content. Till then, see you next time.